Okay, queens and kings, so here's the bathroom of how it look now. Okay, queens and kings, so we're gonna start over here on the left side of us. And as you can see, I do have some DIYs on the wall, as well as how I hung the hand towels here, which these are DIYs also, which is from the Dollar Tree. These little flowers have the little adhesive backing and some bling wrap. I decided to put these towels like this because I wanted to break it up from the color on the wall, because everything is so brown and all her fixtures and everything in her bathroom is brown. So that actually gave us the common color of what her bathroom was gonna be. And we played off that, and I seen this little perfect bathroom set out of roses when I did my little shop with me at Roses. And I thought this would be perfect because she wanted something glam, but she didn't want something too much of over the top, but she didn't want nothing too off from her bathroom fixtures and everything. So I said, I know the perfect bathroom set if they still have it, and which they did. So this is the look that we came up with. So I decided to break it up just to do something a little bit more different. Not too girly, but it's a little girlish, but it's more ladies in this house than it is boys. So, but yeah, and it's actually her style as well. So, and she trusts my judgment and my decoration skills, you would say. So I decided to just go ahead with the white towels, like I said, and then we use the brown on top of it. So therefore we can't cover up our bling. We definitely wanted that to show, and just put more bling onto it just to bring white into it, just to liven up the bathroom. But these little spikes here, like I said, those are DIYs that I did, and those are nothing but some styrofoam balls where I actually glittered them out, and some toothpicks and stuff, you know. I glued them on there and placed some bling on there as well. So yeah. Then moving on downward, we have the bigger towers and everything down here. And as you can see, we have the white towel as well as the brown on top of it, but I didn't want to put another like white and layered in and more. That was fine, and she's okay with that. Sorry that it is a little crooked right now. The kids have touched it, so yeah. But she was fine with just that simple look, so that's the reason, more of the reason why I put those on top of there, you know, just to bring it out, make it something different. So moving it on to her shower curtain, which she fell in love with this shower curtain. It's something different and simple, even though it have all the glam and bling on it though, but it's still simple. It doesn't take over the bathroom, it doesn't take over the colors, and as you can see, her primary colors are brown, silver, and white in this bathroom. So I love the shower curtain. And it also have the bling down below. So this here is more like a satin, and then you have all the sequins here, and as well to the bottom. So up to the top are her hooks, her shower curtain hooks. They go along with all the designs as well. And we decided to go with a brown rod. And above that is just a sign, a DIY that says soak. And I got that idea from Pinterest, which I was gonna fill this up more because I felt like it was a little naked, but she actually loved it because it's different from the smaller ones here on the wall, and it's just not the same. So, but she did love the sign. It did throw her off for a while. She was like, "What is that you're spelling with?" Because she never seen that I was doing that part of it. But that's a little DIY that I got from Pinterest. Now moving along, over here to the right are some more DIYs. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. So here are the these four little plaques here came from the Dollar Tree. All because she didn't get any type of wall decor and she was sticking with a budget. So I decided to go ahead and use some of the stuff that I did have. And some stuff I did purchase, but it wasn't much or whatever. So these are the Dollar Tree plaques here. These are the Dollar Tree plaques. I just spray painted those silver. And this glitter part here is from Walmart. And that's that little glitter foam that I used once before in the DIY. And these letters are from Walmart as well. All I did was use some Mod Podge to actually, basically glue them down. So we have floss, we have brush, we have wash, and we have flush. So now moving down on top of her toilet, all it is just is a brown leaf that she did have in her home. So I did use some items that she already did have. And just put some white towels in there just to break it up and put a little green, just to bring a little more life and glam to her bathroom. So moving along over here to the right to the sink, we do have some more DIYs, which is above the towel rack, and I just basically did the same thing that I did behind me here with the other two towers. But you guys know this is a DIY, and you know where I purchased everything from because I told you guys in my vlog. So here are the toothbrush holder, as well, the toothpaste holder or anything else you're gonna put in there, and this is the toothbrush holder. So all have the same design, and they have like this little cracked glass around it, like mosaic. And then we have a candle here, just to bring, this candle smell real good. Just put a little freshness in the bathroom, just in case anybody have to do other business. But this is the flower. And all those flowers came from Walmart. And these little branches here are from outside. And I just put some little bling or whatever in it just to bring a little more life and full the vase up some. This is Dollar Tree bling wrap, as well as Dollar Tree crystals down in there. And I just wrapped it around and glued it like that, which she actually fell in love with that. That was just plain and simple. That just blew her mind. But yeah. So here on the opposite side of the sink, we do have the towel, paper towel rack, which does match the toilet paper holder that I'll show you guys in a moment, as well as the soap dish. And like I said before, we have the other hand towel, and this fixture match everything just perfectly. And some more DIYs up there. So yeah. So here is her toilet paper holder, which I told you guys it matched the paper towel holder, and that's the trash can, and it looked exactly like the toothbrush holder, or the toothpaste holder. Then here are the rugs. We did purchase 2 rugs, and it's the same design as the shower curtain, half to the top and the bottom. Hey queens and kings, so that would be it for Too Glam to give a damn bathroom tour of my very first client. If you queens and kings enjoyed this tour, this mini makeover of this bathroom, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below as well. Also subscribe if you're new to the castle, and please hit your notification bell so therefore you don't be missed out on any other video that I do put up, and also share with your family and friends. And you queens already know, always do what you're afraid to do, and that's in a positive way. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.